The action camera market is heating up again, and this time, it's GoPro stirring the pot with leaks surrounding its long-anticipated GoPro Max 2. After years of silence on the 360 front, recent leaks and insider reports suggest that the GoPro Max 2 is not only real but brings revolutionary upgrades, most notably, replaceable lenses and jaw-dropping 8K video capture. In this video, we'll uncover every detail you need to know about the GoPro Max 2, how it compares to its predecessor, and why it could be the ultimate 360 camera creators have been waiting for. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Before we dive into the Max 2, it's worth revisiting the original GoPro Max released back in 2019. It was GoPro's bold move into the 360-degree camera space, a successor to the GoPro Fusion. While the Max delivered decent video quality, horizon leveling, and in-camera stabilization, it lagged behind competitors in terms of resolution and creative control. Content creators liked it, but didn't love it. Now, fast forward to 2025, and GoPro seems ready to change that narrative once and for all. Recent leaks from reliable sources such as GoPro Insiders, early packaging shots, and FCC filings suggest the following headline features for the Max 2. 8K 360 degrees video recording at up to 30 frames per second. Dual replaceable lenses. Upgraded Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization. Larger image sensors for better low-light performance. GP3 processor for enhanced video pipeline. Vertical video mode for TikTok and Shorts creators. Waterproof body up to 10 meters, 33 feet, without housing. Improved audio capture with 6 mic array. USB-C fast charging and 30% bigger battery. Integrated AI-based horizon leveling and reframing tools. Replaceable lenses, the game-changer creators asked for. One of the most surprising and most welcomed additions to the GoPro Max 2 is the modular, replaceable lens system. On the original GoPro Max, any scratch on the lens was permanent damage. Now, according to leaked product renders, each lens can be detached and swapped out, much like Insta360's modular approach. This opens doors to future lens types, possibly even ND filters or specialized ultra-wide optics. More importantly, it offers peace of mind to extreme sports athletes, travel vloggers, and creators who shoot in rugged terrains. If your lens gets damaged, it's no longer the end of the line. While 5.6K was passable back in 2019, creators in 2025 demand more detail, clarity, and cropping flexibility in post-production. That's where 8K video becomes a massive leap forward. The GoPro Max 2 reportedly records 8K video in 360 degrees, at up to 30 frames per second, which is nearly twice the resolution of its predecessor. Not only does this future-proof your content, but it also allows for clean, detailed, reframed videos in standard 16:9 or vertical formats without sacrificing quality. Imagine shooting once and having the flexibility to extract multiple dynamic angles in post. This is a dream for editors working on YouTube, Instagram Reels, or VR content. At the heart of the GoPro Max 2 is the all-new GP3 chip, said to deliver significantly faster processing, better heat management, and real-time AI reframing capabilities. The new chip enables complex stitching, real-time previewing, and faster exports directly from the camera or via the GoPro Quick app. This brings mobile-first workflows to life, allowing creators to shoot, edit, and publish